So I have these Zippo matches, and it's pretty rainy out, pretty damp out. Let's see if they work. Let's open the butt end of this. Sorry, I'm trying to keep in the light as well. All right. So here's the match. Here's the end of it. I'm trying not to get it too wet, the end of it, because it's that I think you're supposed to keep dry. But let's see, the match, it's damp out, it's wet. Let's see if it'll light. Oh. It definitely lit. And it's raining now. And it's staying lit. Try not to breathe it in. It smells kind of like a firecracker. Worked pretty good. Stayed lit for about 15-20 seconds. And there you go.